Hello traders, let us take a look at the market recap for today. So when we were looking in the morning, this was the news bar that happened, right? The news bar had a long wick at the top, but then if you see, we did not have a follow through even after that. But then there were bulls again present below this bar. So when we were looking at this in the morning at around 8:45, my idea was that if we can get above this 26.25 area, this particular line, then our first target will be around the 40 area. And if we cross the 40 area, we will come to this 50 to 55 area once again. And if we cross over that, then we can get to the 64 to the 65 area once again, right? And on the downside, if this 26.25 breaks down, our first target will be the 12.75. And after that, there will be a measured move around this area in the 94 to the 92 area that we had. So those were the different ideas that we had when we were looking at the market in the morning. So let us now get back to the RTA chart and see how we traded it. So based on that plan, if you see, this is the bar one, this is the open. We actually bought the open and I actually put a 5-point stop loss right here. And I was expecting to get to the 40 line. Once we got to the 40 line, I took some profit at that point of time. And at that point of time, we pulled the stop loss somewhere above the open of the day. And the next target was around the 52 area. I took profit around the 52 area because this was also the trend line that we were having. So I came out of the trade here. In the next two candles, we came back down to the EMA. We kept the bar to the EMA open. I went long again above bar number 10 and my exit was again at the 52 area. That was the first exit, and then I came out in the 55 area once again. Now a question can be there that why did I come out of the trade at 55 and why was I not holding for the 65 line? First of all, this is from 35 to 55. This was 20 points, right? So that was one reason. And the other reason was that this was creating a wedge right here. These are the two reasons for which I came out of the longs at 55. And then this was the first leg down. We were still holding this 46 line. This 46 line was very important. And then bar number 15 actually came down close to the EMA. So what I now did was, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars in a row. I actually put a sell order right at 38 below bar number 15. And I was thinking that we will be able to come to 5526. Once we came to 5526, this is absolutely where I took one contract off. I was holding on to my other contract to see if we can come down to 12.75. When we came down to this 12.75 after the strong bar at 23, I brought my stop loss at the 20 area, and then I was thinking if we could go and hit this 92 since we have broken down this 12.75, and we finally went and hit this 92 area. I actually took profit in 94. Right after that, if you see that we created a TTR and the idea was that we will go and hit the EMA, I went long above bar number 35 and I exited at the EMA right here. Now looking at the chart at this point, there were a lot of wicks on the upside, but I was not getting any strong signal bar to short as well. But then these three bars happened and I actually scalped from 17 to 26 again. And at 26 again, if you see, we started to form a tight trading range with a lot of wicks on the upside as well as the downside. But then bar 66 gave a very good short opportunity. If you see, we tried to break out of the 26.25 area. We failed to do that, came and closed below 26.25, and then we got a very good strong bar. So we shorted below this, and then I came out at 5500 again. Now why did I come out at 5500? Because of this particular trend line. So as soon as we came and touched this line, I took this profit because it was almost a 20-point move, right? So I took profit here. I was expecting another leg from the bears, but we got this strong bull bar. I did not want to go long against all these bear bars here. However, when bar number 74 happened, I shorted below it again and we came out at this trend line once again. So if we summarize, we went long right at the open. Our first profit taking was at the 40 area. The second profit taking was at the 52 area because of the wedge. We went long again above bar number 11 and came out at 55. We shorted below bar number 15. And our first profit taking was at 26.25, and then we finally came out of all our contracts in the 92 area. We went long above bar number 51 and we exited at this 26.25 line, and then finally we shorted below bar number 66 and came out at the low of bar number 70. We shorted below bar number 74 as well, and we came out at this trend line once again when bar number 76 touched it. I'll be coming back again in the evening with the expectations for tomorrow and what are the support resistance levels that we have. As always, please like, share and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon, and I'll see you guys very soon. Have a great rest of the afternoon, guys. Bye.